I got a new chicken recipe I'ma try. These the seasonings that I'm gonna use. I got some pineapple juice first. I'm gonna throw a cup of pineapple juice into the skillet. In fact, I'm gonna do a cup and a half. Season your chicken like you like it. Like I say, with your favorite seasonings. Once that pineapple juice come to a boil, I'm gonna add this chicken. I'm gonna let the chicken boil in the pineapple juice until the pineapple juice is completely evaporated. Oh yeah, they boiling just fine. I'm gonna flip them over after 15 minutes. After the pineapple juice cook all the way down, I'm gonna add a scoop of garlic, minced garlic, and add a cup of water to it. Mix all them together. Mix all that together. The next move after I add the water and get that to boiling, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to give it that flavor. And I'm gonna put that top over it and let that cook. They should be looking like that. Flip them one time or so. You see them? Let this water boil all the way down. Now it's time for me to put my asparagus in the oven. I already got some cornbread in there getting warmed up, getting heated up. Looking like that right there though. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little honey. Gonna give it that flavor and that twang. I'm gonna hit them with some honey. Really, you don't need but a teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna add a little mustard. And I'm gonna shoot a little ketchup. It's gonna give it that savory. I'm gonna mix all that up and let it sit for about 15 minutes. This the finished look. I'm gonna let you know how they taste. A little light Sunday football meal, seasoned asparagus, buttered cornbread, pineapple boiled chicken. I'm gonna show you how this tastes right now.